Okay, guys, I'll show you how to exercise correct twisting actions and stepping actions. So stay like this, okay, and then go twist. And 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. And 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. So try to have your legs as closed as possible and make your skirt fly as much as you can. Go. And 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. Remember to brush your legs in transition, right? And start also every movement with the tummy in. Go. And 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. But what I would like to see more is this feet over pivoting, over twisting. So go change and stop. So land somewhere here, right? So like almost you want to see your bum in the middle. High chest, tummy is in, and go. And 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. Make skirt fly. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. Try with me. So how to do with me? Imagine my hands. No, just close legs. Close legs. Other leg. Change. Other leg. Imagine like my hands are table, and you're using table to press down, tummy in, and go the same. No, the same. Go. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. Make it fly. 2, 3, over twist. Cha, cha. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. More. 2, 3, tummy in. Cha, cha, cha. Press down. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. Over twist your feet. 3, cha, cha, cha. Make skirt fly. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. Excellent. Next one. You're gonna go step forward. Get your hip over the leg and twist as much as you can. With the skirt flying and close your feet. No, close feet. Now from here, how to step forward. For the correct step forward, tummy inches forward. Start to stretch your legs. So tummy inches forward, legs pulling apart. Gradually land, and here, as fast as possible, twist. Go. Stretch. So when we step, stretching is the key. And then follow with the fast twisting action. And go like this. Walk and go twist as fast as you can. Boom. And go walk straight, and twist as fast as you can, skirt flying. Walk, twist, and go walk, twist. Make sure you land here with a very tight position of the feet. Now stretch your legs like a Robin Hood. This leg back, this leg forward, pulling them apart. Feel like this leg's going apart. Tummy in, chest forward, finishing this leg. Very important. And now go boom as fast as you can. Right. Walk. So we're using stretching to step. We're using hip twist to change direction. Yeah, try with me. Exactly the same. So with me, my hands are table. Press down. Take this leg forward for me. Forward. And go twist as much as you can. Go. Go. Walk and faster. Boom. Stretch. Boom. And go a little bit faster tempo. Go walk, twist. Walk. Feel the moment when I twist you. Go walk, twist. Make skirt fly. Go boom and walk and walk and add a little bit more power for that hip twist so the skirt could fly more. Go more and walk and walk and walk and very good. Now next one. You're gonna go from step to step. So now you're gonna twist, but you're gonna immediately start stepping without stopping in the middle. And step, twist, step. Keep going. Twist, step, twist, step, twist, step, twist, step, twist, step. Excellent. Make skirt fly. Step. Twist. And remember, as we step, we're stretching, pulling our legs apart, creating resistance feeling in our bodies. And step. Twist, make skirt fly. Step. And step. With me. Very good. Now remember, when you dance with a partner, don't use fingers. Just press down like a table. Tummy in, chest up. Going from step to step. Go. And step. Faster. And step right away. And step right away. Step right away. Don't stop in the middle. Step. And step. And step. And step. Make skirt fly more. Boom. And one. More powerful. Go. Walk. And walk. And walk. And walk. Very good. Next one. You're going to do 90-degree. And then from here, you will not step. You're going to use a switching motion. You're going to step to the other side. So go 90 degree with the skirt flying and super stretch legs, tummy inches forward. And then from here, we're using a switching motion and step, finishing back leg. 90 and step. Go 90. And here, make sure this foot is turned out. Your shoestrings looking front. 90 degree here. Yeah. Knees pulling apart and go switch. Walk 90. Make that skirt fly. Right. Go. Boom. Boom. Walk. Walk. 90. Become step. 90. Become step. Make sure in the step you turning out this back thigh. 90 into step. Excellent. Try with me. Very good. Try 90 degree. 90. Now after my signal, which is my hands are table. You use it. Tummy inches for go. Switch forward. Get your hip more over the leg, over the leg, over the leg, and go use 90 degree as fast as you can. 90. Make that skirt fly. Boom, boom, boom. Make that skirt fly. 90 into step. 90 into step. 90 into step. 90 into step. Excellent. Next exercise. Go 90 degree. Become another 90 degree. Boom. And another 90. And another 90. Another 90. 90. No, but make sure that you show that beautiful picture. Don't put pressure to that front leg. Only put pressure as you switching. Yes. 90. 90. 90. Make skirt fly. Boom. Boom. Slow. Slow and do quick, quick, slow. Make skirt fly. Slow. The whole goal to make that skirt fly and make your legs look very beautiful. Try with me the same. 90 degrees. Only 90s. 90. 90 and fast 90s. Cha, cha, cha. And 2. Make skirt fly. 3. Cha, cha, cha. More. 2. Over twist. Cha, cha, cha. 2. Tummy in. Press down. Cha, cha, cha. Ta. 3, 4, and 1. Excellent. Okay, so now, for example, if you go to our choreography, how can you use this information? So let's say if you do rumba, you go forward, 2 and 3 forward. So here, this is nothing else as a 90 degree twist. Very good. Walk, walk. This is a pivoting action. Here, going forward, walk. You're going 2, 3. Now, this is 90 into step. Go 90. Make sure fly as fast as you can into step. 90 into step. 2, 3, 90. Become step. Walk, walk, walk. So you see how these small movements, they are everywhere in your choreography.